Hello. I have a portable hard drive with a capacity greater than 32 gigabytes and I want to format it as FAT32. This is my flash drive. 57 gigabytes. By default, it can only be formatted as exFAT or NTFS. So how do I format it as FAT32? Follow these steps. Go to the website above. I've put the link in the description. Windows GUI version of FAT32 format. Scroll to the bottom of the page. Click this link. Double-click. Close. Select the USB drive. Start. OK. Sorry, there's an error. No problem. Follow these steps. Close. Close. Windows. Disk management. USB drive. Delete volume. Yes. New simple volume. Create a new single partition on the USB drive. Finish. Cancel. Not finished. Right-click. Format. exFAT. OK. This PC. exFAT. Close. Close. Downloads. GUI format. Capital D. Name. USB drive. Start. OK. Done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Good luck.